What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys watched my video yesterday, then you guys know that we did a mask on her hair with the hair mayonnaise mask, and we also put some of her pink hair lotion in it as well. If you guys have not tuned into that video yet, please be sure to shoot over to that video and show that video some love. If you're new here to my channel and you're watching this video right now, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like I said once before, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So you will help your girl out if you go ahead and hit that subscribe. Okay, calm it down. It's literally free to do. So back to her hair. So today we're getting ready to go to the park. Okay, 1 second. Today we're getting ready to go to the park and play baseball. It's a lot going on right now, like the whole monkeypox thing and stuff like that. So I don't really want her going to the actual park and like get on the monkey bars and stuff. Or I said the monkey bars. Out of all things you can do at the park, I said the monkey bars. I don't know how that just came out after saying monkey bars. That was funny, huh? Like, you know, just the park equipment in general. So we have like this big little field by my house where it's like a baseball field, and she has a baseball bat and baseballs. So she's been asking to go hit some balls, so we're gonna probably go and do that. But first I have to tackle this hair. This is her hair after waking up. She does not like to tie her hair up at night. Even if I try to put her silk bonnet on her head, she will literally snatch it off. She does not like to tie it up. So this is how her hair is when she wakes up. We're about to do her hair right now. If you guys haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video.
We're doing all the one. And then I know what. I need to. I will do you I. Wait, I know video. I am it. I'm not. Hi guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Alright, you guys, so the colors I'm going to be putting in her hair is pink, yellow, and blue, because she has, I said pink, what is wrong with me? Orange, yellow, and blue, because she has on those colors right now. So I'm going to probably do her hair in like 3 ponytails going back towards that way. So let's get started. So right now, because you guys can't really see, I'm sectioning her hair just from her ear to one ear to the other side of her ear, to separate it into 3 sections. Her hair is definitely dry, but it still has a lot of moisture in it from the mask we did yesterday, but it's just dry curls from overnight twist.
Mommy,
yes.
I want this. I want this.
Don't touch. Okay. So after separating that, I'm going to take a hair tie and just hold it back while I do the top. And hopefully she doesn't start acting crazy, you guys, but she hates water. She hates this part. Literally, she acts like she's dying. So hopefully she doesn't act. No. Okay, almost. She loves the water, but she hates getting it in her face. So crazy to me. Like, she's definitely an Aquarius baby, aka a water baby. But she don't play about getting water in her face. She hates it. But she actually being pretty chill right now. I don't know if it's because the camera on, she's trying to be tough. But usually she be acting crazy. She'll hop out this chair and run out. And then I'll have to chase her around and do her hair as she's running. Tell them how old you are.
3.
Yeah. Put your head down. And guys, my parts aren't that perfect either, because when you're doing a toddler hair, their attention span is not that long, so you gotta be pretty quick sometimes. And I don't want to spend too much time on trying to perfect the parts. So I do them to the best of my ability. It's not like crazy cricket, but it'll do. Just so we can quickly get through this. Spread a little bit more water along the edges. Take my hair toothbrush. If you guys watched my last video, then you've seen that I use this. I honestly feel like a hair toothbrush grips and brushes the little hairs way better than any brush. So that's why I like using a hair toothbrush. I've always used one on my hair, and it just was easy for me to just start using it on hers. And honestly, I feel like it's the best method. So if you guys want to start using hair toothbrushes to do your hair, try it. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It literally gets all the little hairs, so you don't have to double back too much. Ouch. Also, use the comb as well to like get any like little kinks before. Look straight. So now I'm gonna just wrap this around. And then do a few little twists. actually do a update on her hair growth from when we first started, so you guys can see. Look, baby. Cheese.
Cheese.
So you guys can see because her hair has came a long way. So, what do you guys think? Ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, guys. Luckily, we are the only ones at the park. Come on, skate. You gotta go fast over here. It looks funny. Come on, this way. I think we put the elbow pads on the knees. I don't know. Maybe we did. Because I brought two, but I don't know if that's the elbow. What, baby? You don't want to skate no more? You don't want to skate? You want to get on the slide?
Yeah.
All right, let's take off your skates.
Are you crab higher? Are you crab higher?
Go. Be careful.
Yeah, I did a crab higher.
You did what?
I crab higher. Yeah. Come on, your face up. Let's press down. Babies! On the babies! Woo! Is that fun? Woo! Oh! Babies!
Want to play tic-tac-toe? Okay, you're going to be O and I'm X, okay? Nope, you O, so you only do O. My turn. I'm X. Your turn. Go. Only O. Okay. You can't go twice. That's X, Bubs. You only do O. You're O. I'm X. Okay. You got tic-tac-toe. You won.
Yeah, I won, baby.
She thinks she won, but it's okay. Woo! Mommy too big.
What's this?
What?
What's this?
That one? I guess it's a spiral ladder. You want to climb up there? You gotta put your babies down. You can't do it with one hand. You need both your hands. So give me your babies.
What's this?
If you want to climb, you gotta give me your babies. You climb with both hands. Be careful. You gotta hold on, okay? You got it? Got it? Don't fall, mommy. There you go.
I did it!
You did it.
Yeah! Come on!
Go.
Look it, Mommy.
I'm gonna go this way. Here's your babies. What? It's a bridge. Are you gonna go down this slide? All right. Wait, I'm gonna meet you at the bottom. Get your face off of there. Woo! Was it fun?
Yeah, you can hold your babies.
Wanna hold your babies?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Be careful. You got shots? Okay, so be careful. It's hot today. Be careful. Go. Okay, I'm gonna watch you go down the slide right here. Come on. Can I give you your babies? Come on. Okay, go play.
Okay.
Keep your shoes on.
No, play.
All right, only stay over here then, okay? All right, guys, so we just got back home. This little wild child of mine. We went to the park. We went to the park, as you guys seen. We left the first park early because it was this homeless guy that decided to walk all on the playground and was like licking the poles. Yeah, licking the poles. So I was like, hell no, we're leaving. We're not staying at this park. So we ended up going to a water park. As you guys seen, we're pretty drenched. This little wild child,
Hi.
she took off her shirt and stuff. So we're getting ready to get in the shower. I'm getting ready to cook dinner. And we're about to just chill out. We've been out and about in the sun for about 3 hours. So I feel like that was long enough. So if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you watch this video right now, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that, and that will really help your girl out into getting monetized. That is the goal. All right, guys, so we're about to go. How'd you get a cookie? Did I say you can get a cookie? All right, guys, so we're about to go wash up and then chill out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what reviews you guys want to see me do. All right, baby. Also, let me know in the comments below what reviews you guys want to see me do. In the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video.